Hello there, this is Monica, the Spiritual Alchemist. Hope you're all doing well. This tray, I don't know. I have the Spirit Animal Oracle that I'd like to pull for you. Hope you're all doing well. That was crappy. I think it's the angle I'm on. I want you to see that I'm shuffling the cards. I don't know how well you can or can't see that, but now this cloth is all messed up. Alright, book, you stay over there. The time right now is 7:46 p.m. But like I say, these readings are for whenever you come upon them. Let's see what Spirit has for us. Spirit, what do you have for us? Let's try again. I wonder what's going to come out. I always wonder what's going to come out. I'll take that one. Oh gosh, that's too many. Too many. Too many, too many, too many. Let's shuffle again. Ugh. Oh, there's a porcupine. Cat spirit and porcupine spirit. There's a page I follow. I forget what it's called, but it's like a sanctuary for animals. And it was a porcupine, and she passed away, unfortunately. She was caught in the wildfires. I forget, maybe, I don't know if I think they're, don't quote me, I think they're in California. And I think she was caught in the wildfires, what was it, last year, 2 years, I forget. But, while her stay, because I don't think she's able to go back into the wild, or maybe they were trying, I don't remember, because I don't watch it that often. I don't know, I don't remember. But anyways, she ended up falling off of one of the branches. They, when they do the sanctuary for certain animals, they set up certain locations for them inside, and they make it kind of like realistic, with trees and, rocks and stuff. But I think she fell and broke her arm, and she just wasn't doing well after that. I don't know if she got an infection, I just don't know, but I know she was burnt. She was burnt pretty badly, and her quills, but they named her Cinders. They were, making money to help. They make money rehabilitating these animals, and a lot of them get sent back, into the wild. But unfortunately, sometimes they don't always make it. Certain ones. I guess it depends on their circumstances or whatever. Spirit, do we have any more messages? But yeah, so seeing the porcupine reminded me of Cinders. I wish I knew the it's on Facebook. Their sanctuary's name. Is it a sanctuary? I think so. Maybe it's in Arizona. I don't know. I think that's it. Sometimes I think I like talking. So we have two. We have cat spirit and porcupine spirit. Porcupine 105. That's the second card though. Wait. Oh no, it's 48. I'm paying attention to. I'm looking for the page. When it's not the page, it's the number up on top that's associated with the card is 48. The page is 105. So cat spirit is where? Probably more towards the beginning, I'm guessing. Yeah, 29. Is it 29? Am I doing that wrong again? Yeah, because 29 is giraffe. 13. Sorry. Ooh. Pages. A couple of the pages, like, I don't like that. What was it again? 13? Yeah, cat spirit. I'll have to find where those go. Anyways, cat spirit. Claim your independence. Claim your independence. What we got? 6 minutes. Sheesh. Talk too much. Claim your independence. The oracle message. When cat spirit meows, she is calling you to claim your independence and allow for some space between you and others in your life. The only way you can grow in all your relationships now is to have a healthy sense of self-respect and self-worth. When you walk with dignity, knowing who you are, self-aware, and willing to grow, trusting the value you bring, the world will mirror all this back to you in kind. When you say no to codependency and enmeshment, live and let live, and practice taking risks as you wander into new territory for you. Cat spirit rejoices. She is here to urge you to let your independent spirit roam free. Protection message. This may be the time you are facing some unpredictable situations. Are you hesitant to take a risk? Too cautious to jump into something new because you fear you can't trust yourself? Cat spirit is saying, go for it, because you will land on your feet. If nothing seems to be going according to plan, there is no reason to worry. Cat spirit loves to mix it up, and these seeming upsets will actually bring you some wondrous and unexpected opportunities. Get ready to pounce, as you may be called to jump into something new at a moment's notice. At this time, your instincts are keen and your intuition is sharp. Remember, even a temporary failure can lead to a spectacular success. So embrace the adventure. You are sure-footed and you can trust yourself. I like that. And then porcupine spirit. Time for beginner's mind. Page 48. Time for beginner's mind. Oracle message. When porcupine spirit calls your name, you are being asked to adopt a beginner's mind and to approach situations with innocence and curiosity. The old, confining stories no longer have a hold on you. Life is full of surprises hiding in plain sight. Looking at the world afresh with new eyes can help you find what you have been seeking, whether it is a relationship, an opportunity, or evidence that you have all you need right now to co-create what you desire. Who knew? Porcupine asks you to be playful and have a childlike curiosity. There is so much waiting for you that you have yet to discover. Hold on. My mouth is a little dry. It's almost tart. This book is falling apart. Yeah, this book is falling apart. Protection message. Are you feeling prickly and defensive lately, and assuming you will be hurt before you have seen any sign that such a reaction is called for? Perhaps an old sense of guilt and shame is causing you to be cynical and weary when you are meant to be open and curious. Self-protection is a good thing, but you may be protecting yourself from something that will not actually harm you, but instead will bring you abundance, happiness, and love. Remember your innocence, and you will see what you have been overlooking. Porcupine quills are filled with air, allowing a porcupine to float in water. Now is the time to let your innocent nature keep you buoyant. Wow. Sheesh. Anyways, that was, yeah, I like that. Page 20. What in the world? 44. 45. Yeah. This book is just falling apart on me. There we go. There's in there. So anyways, thank you for stopping. Maybe like, subscribe, share, pass it, I don't know, comment. Did I say subscribe? I don't know. Or not. The message will get to who it needs to get to. Until next time, this is Monica, the Spiritual Alchemist. Hope you enjoyed the reading. Take care.